Hey, it's me, Billy in the backyard. I come out here to shoot a video to show you what I got finished from this morning, where I was planting the last little plants that I had to plant, and then I went to spread the mulch around. Well, when I walked out the door, I saw my neighbor cutting the yard. I thought, well, I'll wait and do this video later because, out mowing the yard in the background, kind of noisy. But then I thought, right there, that's why I put cardboard all over my yard and mulch, because I don't want to have to do that ever again. I don't want to have to mow the yard. I don't want to have to edge. I don't want to spend that energy on something so non-productive. But yet, I might not have mulch here. Mulch here. Okay, that's funny, God. But look at my little plants. What I do have is going to produce and grow. There's a little citrus I had this morning. And I don't have a whole bunch of mulch. It's really thin. But guess what? I will not have to do is mow my yard ever again. Which is fine to mow your yard. If you want to mow your yard, mow your yard. Mow your yard. Mow it. It's great. I just can't. The older I get, the harder it gets. But I just keep thinking if I can spread this mulch and get a little more. Look, I had to take a little bit over there. If I can get me a little bit of mulch for free, I just keep growing me some more plants. So that's what I finished up today.